Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
Link to buy the product is in the description. Introducing the Ring Spotlight Cam Plus battery, a smart security upgrade made to protect what matters most: your home, your family, your peace of mind. This is the newest generation model that brings better visibility and smarter protection directly outside your door. Whether you are relaxing inside, away at work, or traveling miles away, this camera ensures you stay connected and in control. The Spotlight Cam captures everything in crystal clear 1080p high-definition video, so you can see exactly what's going on. Daytime protection is important, but nighttime visibility matters even more. With enhanced color night vision, you can monitor every corner of your property clearly, even in the dark. That means no more guessing about shadows or blurred shapes. You get real details, real clarity, and real security. The wide-angle lens covers a large area, so fewer blind spots remain. And when someone or something enters the selected zones, powerful motion-activated LED spotlights instantly illuminate your property. That alone is enough to startle intruders. But you also have a built-in security siren that can be activated with just a few taps. It's loud, it's intimidating, and it helps stop trouble before it starts. Speaking of customizable motion, you decide what matters. Create custom motion zones around the areas you want watched closely. The camera then focuses only on those zones, meaning you get notifications that are actually important. No more constant alerts from cars passing down the street or tree branches blowing in the wind. Only notifications that truly require your attention. The Spotlight Cam also provides clear two-way talk. So if someone comes to your door, you can greet them instantly from anywhere. Check delivery drop-offs, confirm guests, or warn unwanted visitors. You are watching and recording every moment. This is smart security designed for real, everyday life. And convenience is part of that design. The battery-powered format makes setup simple, no wiring required. The quick-release battery pack design allows fast removal and recharging without removing the camera from the wall. Just pop the battery out, charge it up, and snap it back into place. Worried about staying connected while you're away? Ring keeps everything at your fingertips inside the Ring app. Watch live video anytime, review recordings, and manage alerts with ease. With an optional Ring subscription, you can save your recorded videos for up to 180 days, get advanced alerts, and unlock extra smart features, including package detection and richer notifications. The Spotlight Cam Plus also works seamlessly with Alexa. Ask Alexa to show the camera feed on your Echo Show. Hear audio alerts when motion is detected, and stay informed without lifting a finger. It's home security that blends smoothly into your smart home system. The durable design is built to withstand the outdoors. Rain, wind, heat, or cold, the Spotlight Cam Plus is ready, helping protect your home in any season. So whether placed at the driveway, back patio, or front yard, it provides strong visual coverage and proactive deterrence day after day. With this camera watching over your space, you are always one tap away from seeing and speaking to anyone outside your home. Strengthen your security, increase awareness, and take total control of your property with a trusted name in smart home protection. Link to buy the product is in the description.